Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can create this protein bar commercial ad in this After Effects, and we will use this Newton 4 plugin to create dynamics physics animation in this After Effects. So this is going to be really interesting tutorial, so make sure watch till the end. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So let's jump into this After Effects. So guys, in this video, I will use this Newton 4 plugin, and this is really amazing tool. You can create real physics in the After Effects. Lot of things you can do with this tool, and this is really amazing, but this is quite expensive tool. They also provide trial version that you can use. After downloading this Newton plugin, you have to paste this plugin Newton folder into this support files plugin section in the After Effects. You can see the location here, okay? So this is the my Newton. Now go to the After Effects. So first we need to create a composition and name this main. You can use any size, so I am making this size 9020 by 1080 and duration 10 seconds and hit OK. And I'm using this protein bar and this peanut. Select both of them and decrease the scale size. So let's make this 58. Let's move it up and select your protein bar. Go to the layer and click on this auto trace and hit OK. It will create the mask around the protein bar. Now do the same with this peanut. Select this peanut, go to the layer and click on this auto trace and hit OK. Alright, now you can see the mask on this peanut as well. Let's change the color first. So I'm going to make this protein bar yellow and this keep as it is. And we had to create lot of duplicate copies of this peanut. So control to duplicate, let's move it here, press R, rotate this. And again control to duplicate, move it here. Again we have to spread the peanut in the entire composition. So control to duplicate, let's move it here, press R, rotate this one, duplicate and move it up. Let's do it again, duplicate, move it up, control to duplicate, move it up and move this here, again move it up and move it to the right side. Basically we have to fill the entire composition. So this is around 42 layers, and I will duplicate this again, control to duplicate and let's move it up again. And I think we have lot of layers right now. Let's move it everything upside. Move all of this peanut far from this protein bar, otherwise it will create some friction problem. So now we have lot of copies. Select all of these peanuts, everything, and hold Ctrl Alt and you will see like this arrow. Let's move it everything till the 5 seconds here, okay? Now select this protein bar and let's move it between this 5 seconds. So this is around 2.5 seconds here between this. So this is perfect. After that go to the composition and you will see here Newton 4. Click on it and you will see like this arrow, just hit OK. Now select all of these peanuts, everything, and go to the advanced and check this use Convex Hull. It will reduce the polygon of these peanuts. If you click on this, then you will see the changes. It's completely round right now, and unselect, then you will see peanut shape. So check this, otherwise this will make your project so heavy. And right now everything is overlapping, so let's fix that. So select this and move it here. Let's move this one here. Now select everything and move it out of the composition. So this box is our composition. Now we will create the wall. So these icons are walls. So click on to create the bottom wall. So you will see like this pink line. So this is the wall. Now we have to make this left wall. So click on it and right wall here. And make sure your objects should not touch this wall. Let's move it here and this one should go here. Alright, so everything is far from the wall. Now select the protein bar and go to the journal, and we have to play with these settings. So change the density value, let's keep it as it is 1, and friction 0.5, bounciness 1. And linear dumping, this one linear dumping, make it 0.2, and angular dumping, it's also 0.2. Now select all of these peanuts, everything this here and till the starting. So all selected peanut and change the density value to zero point 0.3 and friction value 0.6 and bounciness value 0.8. Linear dumping 0.6 and angular dumping 0.6. You click on this play button, then you will see live preview here. I think everything is perfect. As you can see, this is touching with the wall, so it's not animating. Here, this one. Okay, so let's fix this. So select this one and move it far from the wall. Let's make some distance between these peanuts and play it again. You can play with these settings until you satisfy and make sure any objects should not touch with each other. So this is the perfect. Play this animation. So in this case, everything is fine. And if you satisfy with the settings, just click on this render. It will take some time to render your entire animation. Alright, so it created in composition main sim 01. So this is the animated composition. So click on it to open this and play this. You will see this animation. Now I will use this plastic PNG file, press S, decrease the scale size of this. And if you want, then you can download from the description. Fit this screen. Let's reduce the opacity of this, suppress T and decrease the, let's make it 90%. And this animation is done. I hope you like this tutorial and we will use this Newton 4 plugin in the future to create more awesome animation. Also, if you like this tutorial, then hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.